Hi, good evening. I am going to explain to renewable energy industry of German market. I am Asita Pereira, student ID 2113565. Renewable energy overview of the market. Global perspective, industry overview, solar power industry in German, wind power industry in German, key drivers and trends, Vestal analysis. After that, global perspective and industry overview. As you all know, energy is the main source of economic development in any country in developing countries. Power secretly of obstacle of development. Energy consumption is steady increasing every year due to population growth and economic development. Renewable energy are five sectors: wind, sunlight, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat. The value of the global renewable energy market was 881.7 billion by 2020 and is expected to reach 197.6 billion by 2030 with year expected grow by 8% for 8.4% from 2021 to 2030. Global clean energy projected growth 2010 to 2020 as per the reports. After solar and wind power industry in Germany. Until 2014, Germany had the world's largest installation capacity and by 2020 it will have 49 gigawatts. It is the third country in the world be installed with 2018 wind power and in 2018 was 59 gigawatts and the second place of coastal winds and more than 4 gigawatts. Germany knows world first renewable energy economy. German electricity by source in the there. Nuclear, burn, brown coal, hard coal, natural gas, wind, solar, biomass, hydro. After that, I am going to wind power industry in Germany. Most Germany's power generation is wind power in 2020. Wind power accounted for the largest share of German power generation ahead nuclear power and brown coal. Major players Major players in Siemens Gams Renewable Energy, General Electric Company and GmbH Senavia SA. Key market trends. Establishment of wind farms and coastal areas becoming profitable due to the increase in wind spend relative to land. Major drivers and trends in the industry. Climate changes, government politics, legal framework, industrial safety regulation. Germany industry second that is I collected solar power industry in Germany. The German solar market is expected to grow by more than 6.12 at CAGR in the 2020 and 2025 forecast period. Major players is Germany solar power industry, IBS Solar AG, Country Them International AG, Sun Power Corporation, Scots Solar Industry. Key market trends. The government support renewable energy generation through feed tariff scheme for power plants. Germany has few oil and gas resources to meet its energy consumption need and is trying to reduce its dependence on imports. The country is trying to shift from fossil fuel and renewable energy. Major drivers and trends in the industry, climate changes, government policies, legal framework, and industrial safety regulation. According to five Waters, five words analysis source, threat of new entrants, moderate, high standard barriers to enter low, their threat is product need to be established before entering German market. Low, it is low because most supplies at the German. Threat of substitutes. Substitutes are low as production is Germany's highly quality product services. Industry revenue low due to the few players in the market room, manufacture compliance to German market, bargaining power to of buyers, low dutyless manufacturers and supplier, high market opportunities, low market risk. After that, going forward, pestle analysis, political. The Germany's Federal Republic based on representative democracy traders tensions with China are expected to continue with most important tariff being maintained much favorable for the marketplace. Legal. The Germany is the less corrupt nation out of 180 countries according to the 2019 corruption presentation index reported by Transparency International favorable for genuine companies. Environmental. Germany encourage products manufactured manufacture lower in carbon footprint, green concept and international environment projection standards. Economic. The Germany is the Europe Union largest economy. Social culture. Germany education, safety and healthcare system are the best in the world, measure of the population and with the resources. Technologies. The Germany high technologies countries. References. Are you are going to references, please. All the best. Thank you very much.